How to create a scheduled conference call on Uber Conference. You cannot create a scheduled conference call if you do not create an account or you are signed in the app, so please do that before. Tap on the three dots menu from the top left. Select Conferences. On this page, tap on the plus sign from the top. This will create a new scheduled conference call. Write a name for conference. This can help you manage your calendar better. You can add a participant if you want. You can also select a date and a time. Select also the duration of the meeting. For the recurring part, you will need a business account. Tap on Next. You can tap on Add to Calendar to get this added to your local calendar. Also, you can switch to call participants from the start automatically. This will require also a business account. Tap on Done. If you have not verified your email, just verify your account. Tap again Done. Now, the system will open your calendar app. Add your meeting to your calendar. Go back to the app. Here, tap on Upcoming. You will see your new meeting. Now, when the time is ready, just start the conference call. Please note that all the options are the same as the video about creating a new conference call. Check that video to see more about what options you have directly at the meeting. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.